I'm Chelsea Cantoran, and I am a talent acquisition partner here at Viasat. I chose to sign up for the PSYDEH skills-based volunteer program because PSYDEH is educating women through empowerment. Being able to go in country and help bridge that digital divide is something that I'm really passionate about. Something surprising that I took away from this experience was I knew that I was going to make connections with the PSYDEH team, but I didn't expect to make such deep friendships. I'm loving following them on social media as their communities grow and they're posting more and more. I love to see them just thriving. What I learned about volunteering and my biggest takeaways on this specific project was that there is extreme power in connecting people. This skills-based program definitely helped me build networking relationships that has led to a deeper understanding of what Viasat does on many different levels. I'm able to take these experiences from this trip and speak to our candidate pool, interested people that want to work for Viasat, and tell them not only what Viasat does, but really who we are. These specific opportunities make me feel so connected to Viasat and give me a deeper understanding of what it is that we're doing and the impact it can really have on people's everyday life.